Hey everyone! If you're getting the no internet connection error on Instagram, it usually points to an issue with your connection or the app. In this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot and fix this problem. First, make sure your internet is working properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that solves the issue. If one connection works but the other doesn't, the problem might be with your network. A quick way to refresh your network connection is by turning airplane mode on and off. This will reset all network connections and can fix temporary glitches. If toggling airplane mode didn't work, try restarting your phone. This can help clear any software glitches that might be causing the issue. The next step is to clear Instagram cache. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, tap Apps again, find Instagram, select Storage, and then tap Clear Cache to reset the app's data. If you're on an iPhone, uninstall and reinstall Instagram to clear any bugs. Finally, update Instagram. Sometimes an outdated version of the app can cause connection issues. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure Instagram is up to date. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the no internet connection error on Instagram. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.